Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to perform a NAC swap in Black Ops 2. This technique allows for a rapid weapon change, creating a distinct visual effect often seen in trickshot montages. Mastering it requires precise timing of your button inputs. We'll cover the basics to get you started with this cool move. To begin, select a shotgun like the Remington 870 MCS or the KSG. These are ideal for learning. Attach fast mag to your weapon, as it can make the timing slightly more forgiving. A sensitivity setting between 4 and 8 is generally recommended for optimal control during the swap. Now let's execute a common NAC, often called the Money NAC. First, fire a single shot from your shotgun. Immediately after shooting, press the Y button to initiate a weapon swap. Then, very quickly press the X button to reload. The key is the rapid, almost simultaneous, input of Y and X after your shot. Consistent practice is essential to master the NAC swap. Head into custom games and repeat the sequence until it feels natural. Pay close attention to the weapon's animation. The timing of your Y and X presses is critical to cancel it correctly. With dedication, you'll be hitting clean NACs in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.